This is the error I got one day with my Epson EcoTank ET2550. I also got the same thing with my 4500, but that one I actually just traded it in for an upgraded version. So one of the situations that we thought of, or actually one of the things we decided to do was call Epson to see if they can help us. I did read online, they can't help you, they're going to tell you to throw away your printer, but we decided to check for ourselves. So we called them up, and you know, it was pretty cool. What they ended up doing was replacing this printer. Let me back out now. Replacing this printer with a refurbished model. Epson certified refurbished. I think it's a 27 something. So we're gonna open it and look at it and see what they replaced my old printer because of that error. This model, what they replaced it with. So that's a program that's going on right now. It's May of 2023. I don't know how long they're going to be running this program, but they will. Technically, I bought this because it's a $25 fee to purchase a certified refurbished. If you look at this model on their website, it's going for about $170. So for $25 plus this trade-in, I have to hand this back. I have to mail this back in this box. For a trade-in for the ET2550 with this error, plus $25, they will send you a Epson certified refurbished printer. So we're gonna take a look at it, open it up, and see how it looks. See what this says. Hopefully it doesn't have any personal. Yep, so they send you the receipt. EcoTank 2750. So for the 2550, they're technically giving you an upgraded model, 2750. I don't know if I've ever heard of that model when I was purchasing the 2550. So that's the receipt. Okay, so you have 7 days to return it. So remember, you have 7 days to return the defective one because they ask for your credit card, so and you have to pay the $25 with that credit card. And you authorize them to charge you a fee if you don't send them back the old one. So I'm basically gonna replace this with the old one. Or put the old one in this box, I should say. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna pull it out. Nothing else in there. So you gotta save all this stuff. Now, mind you, even at the cost, so you gotta I gotta use these to send back the old one. Even at the cost, even the $25 fee, technically you're paying it's worth the fee. Besides the fact that you're getting a printer, you're also getting a set of ink cartridges. Now this alone, I think the black one's for about $20 and the other one run about $10. So you're already ahead with just the ink itself. So you're technically receiving either this or this for free. And $25 is really, I think they're just for shipping, if anything. So to receive those bottles is pretty cool. You're saving a lot of money just receiving these for $25. Let me open it up and, or unpackage it, I should say. And I don't see the return label in here at all. So I was just notified by my wife that the return labels are emailed. They're emailing them to us. I'm not doing anything with this. Let me just make sure it turns on, and that's all. Because I'm not sure what we're gonna do. We purchased the 3850. I'm not actually going to fill in the ink or anything. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with these printers. We may just store them in just in case emergency printers. Like I said, one of my things is just receiving the ink is payment enough, because you're probably gonna spend about $30 to $40 to purchase this package, to my understanding. Epson certified ink, not third party. Let me just make sure it turns on and everything comes on. I just wanna make sure nothing is blocking anything. This is the 2750 model. And I'm just gonna turn it on and see if it works. And this is what we received in replacement of the 2550 with that error. So it has a USB, no Ethernet, power, it's Wi-Fi. This is very similar, and I'm gonna put it right next to the 3850. Very, very similar. It's just black and a different model number. So it's gonna be a spec difference than a physical difference. There's the Wi-Fi. So we've decided to keep the printer as a second printer. So I'm gonna set it up and see if it works, if it's good. It's certified. I'm hoping that it is as good as a new one, since it comes directly from Epson, I believe. The power supply, for us, they said not to return it. Just double check, make sure that whether they, I asked them if you need to return the power supply. They told us to keep it, or the power cable, I should say. So don't send that back, because you're not going to be able to plug in your printer. They're pretty much similar. The 38 is also similar to this. I'm going to take all the blue stuff off, get it ready to load the ink, and I'm going to put them side by side so you can see the similarities between the 3850 and the 2750 in physical look. This is a comparison with the, well, not a detailed comparison. This is the 3850 and the 2750. One of the things you see, obviously, is that the white one is taller. But it might be taller because it has a paper tray. This one does not. So the papers go on top here, the old one. But
I think also maybe the flatbed is taller, because this is about the same size.
yeah, but if this was underneath, it'd be thicker and taller, because it's pretty much the same exact thing. If you look at it, so you can lift the whole thing up. Maybe it's a little thicker. Maybe because it probably loads more paper up here. It has a lot more options.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, that's what it is. So this is the speed loading option on top. Thank you for recognizing that. That's why it's taller. I forget what this is for, but I guess you get details in regards to it. This doesn't have it. It's just the scanner, and everything loads in the back. All the mail stuff, everything. The old way, the 2550 way. Besides that, they're about the same thickness from front to back. And anything else you realize? You got the same thing here.
Yeah, the only difference is that this one is just reverses the order of the ink, but everything else seems very similar.
Okay.
Oh, wait, what is this little slot right here?
That's a SD card slot.
Does this one have an SD card?
No, I don't think
Okay,
this has it
so
at all.
that's a lot
So,
of it.
unless it has it in the back, I'm gonna bring it to the front. Yeah, they're similar size. The white one's just taller because it has this option up here. Plus, I believe because of the tray, also adds additional space for the bottom. This is a 250-page tray. It just looks neater not having to load the pages on top. So it's a neater looking one. So that's the only difference. But I'm gonna set this one up and get it going, and it's certified. Let you know how it worked. I'll do more videos later on details in regards to how I like it with printing pictures and stuff like that, and the new things I'm gonna find out about it. But for now, I just want to make sure it works. So you'll see, receiving a refurbished one from Epson if you actually, if you don't get a lemon. Let me fill up the ink. Again, you lift it through here at the edges. There's another one on the other side, on to the left. You lift up. And you access these things. I still have the container in the 2550, the ones that you just fill up by pouring the ink in. Or actually, it came with like a little needle tube thing on the end, and you just squeeze the bottle. With this, there's no squeezing. It's very simple. You take black. It has these two things here. They have to line up here and in the front there, as you can see. So it has to line up to this and this. So we will take this and put the black in. It doesn't come out if it's upside down. It'll only unlock there when you put it in. And you can see the ink on the bottom, black. And you put it in. Let me see. Am I putting it right? Yep, it's coming out.
Oh, you can hear it.
You can hear the black ink pouring in, and you can see it at the bottom. It's going up right here.
Oh,
See
yeah.
it? Okay. All right, so we'll fast forward the rest so you don't have to be bored watching me fill up the ink. So after several printouts and a few test prints, as you saw, some of the things, it's perfect. All the lines match up. This is a test on the, I don't know, synchronization or the alignment of colors. So if you get streaks or smears on your printouts, they're not clear enough, they're not dark enough, or they got streaks on them, then you have to run the maintenance on the Epson. There's videos like crazy on YouTube about how to do the maintenance. Very simple. And this is the printout. And if all the lines are continuous, then that means everything is good on all the colors, as you can see. So everything's good, everything's working, everything seems fine. It doesn't seem like any complaints. Full load of pictures. I think, what is this, 2 years worth of, I'm sorry, pictures, ink. Full load of ink. I think this is 2 years worth of ink. And for $25 and returning the other ones, I already returned them, I think it's a great deal. So it's May of 2023. Try your luck. If your 2550 is not working, give them a call, give them a heads up, and put in that serial, give them that serial number, and they'll tell you if any Epson printer, they'll let you know if it qualifies to receive a Epson certified refurbished for a low cost. All right, thank you for watching. I hope this video helps. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.